JK for Ecstatic Works. So ngayon gusto natin ipakita paano namin pinoprotektahan yung napakamamahal yung mugs. So right now, meron tayong ginagawang Vocrace TE37 here. So brand new, dinala ng client natin dito, tapos iniwan niya in order for us to be able to ceramic coat his price rims. So tingnan natin kung paano ceramic coat. So, ang ginagawa ni Jong is gumagamit kami ng airbrush, tapos ceramic coating yung laman niyan. We do this process to make sure na maganda yung coverage ng coating sa rims, abot lahat ng mga singit-singit, and especially yung mga flat surface. So, pinoprotektahan natin yung front part ng rims na to, and then kasama rin syempre yung back part. So, fully protected and fully covered ng ceramic coating yung rims. So, tingnan natin ulit for the last time. Para sa ceramic coat ng Ecstatic Works ang mga price rims nyo. Actually, marami tayong ceramic coat na Vocrace dito sa shop. Lalo-lalo na yung mga bronze yung color. Like this TE37, bronze yung color niya. Ang kalaban kasi niyan over time is namumuti yung pagka-bronze niya. Nawawala yung pagiging deep bronze color niya. With ceramic coating, na-prevent natin yun. In addition to that, ayan, nagiging deeper bronze yung kulay niya, mas maganda yung kinakalabasan. Hindi siya nagiging makintab, matte pa rin yung finish niya kahit naka-ceramic coat, pero again, mas maganda yung look niya when it's ceramic coated on top of being protected. For more information, pricing, location, or any inquiry that you may have, saan pupunta? Sa Facebook page lang natin. Bye!
Sa buhay ko, securing my foundation. Maintindihan mo